Alright, I'm giving in to the urge. I'm going into the woods. See what we can find in here. A lot of maples. So these are rock maple, also known as the sugar maple. That's where we get the maple syrup from. I think some of these are red maples with the larger leaves. Got some birch, some gray birch. Just make sure we don't step in any presents left by former visitors from the rest stop. This is a rest stop trail technically, but it's got some ancient trees in here. I'm gonna get close to this one real quick. Again, watching where I'm going. Wow. Is that a rock maple? No. Maybe? It's root over rock. Check that out. Yeah, that actually does look like a rock maple. A very beautiful straight specimen of rock maple. Here's another view of the roots over the rock there of this massive maple. Can't even see the top. Well, I guess you can. Right up there. What a crazy tree. And just look at this one massive root over the rock. Like, there's my foot. That's a size 17. Oh my God. This rock maple. I'll catch you next time, tree. This great birch ain't doing so well. Hence all these mushrooms doing their thing on there. Very pretty though. Here we have this gnarly beech. Sometimes I mistake the leaf at first glance for an American elm, but that bark really gives it away. Look at that. We got some pin cherries, silhouetted by this beautiful white ash in the sun.